How many weeks are there in 6 months of pregnancy?
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a common question that many expectant parents and curious minds have. How many weeks are there in 6 months of pregnancy? Let's break it down step by step.
How many weeks make up a month?
Before diving into the specifics of pregnancy, it's important to clarify how many weeks are typically in a month. For most calendar months, there are about 4.33 weeks, since an average month has about 30.44 days and a week has 7 days. However, for the purpose of tracking pregnancy, months are often considered to be 4 weeks long, due to the way prenatal development and pregnancy milestones are tracked.
Counting the weeks in pregnancy.
Pregnancy is usually counted as 40 weeks, starting from the first day of a woman's last menstrual period. This counting includes approximately 2 weeks during which she isn't actually pregnant. Therefore, when we talk about the duration of pregnancy, we're often talking in terms of weeks rather than months. When we use the 4-week approximation for each month of pregnancy, 6 months times 4 weeks per month equals 24 weeks. So, to answer the question, there are approximately 24 weeks in the first 6 months of pregnancy when using the 4 weeks per month approximation. Always remember, every pregnancy is unique, so it's essential to consult with healthcare professionals for specifics related to individual pregnancies. Hope this clears things up, and thanks for tuning in.